Wondering what unique and creative gift ideas you can come up with this festive season? Well, let's introduce you to the concept of DIY mason jar gifts. It's an innovative approach that lets you craft personalized, thoughtful presents right from the comfort of your home. Imagine a jar filled to the brim with love and little tokens of appreciation, tailored specifically for the person you're gifting it to. How wonderful does that sound? Mason jar gifts are not only creative but also a cost-effective solution that caters to a wide variety of tastes and budgets. Whether it's gourmet treats for the foodie, a self-care kit for the wellness enthusiast, or a collection of favorite quotes for the bookworm in your life, these jars can be customized in countless ways. So, are you ready to add a personal touch to your presents this season? Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps of creating your very own mason jar gifts. Before we start crafting, we need to gather our materials. To make these delightful festive mason jar gifts, we'll need a few essential items. First off, we'll need mason jars. These are the heart and soul of our project. You can find these at your local grocery or craft store or even online. They come in various sizes, so pick the ones that best suit your gift ideas. Next up, we'll need some decorative items. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Consider items like miniature ornaments, faux snow, pine cones, or even small figurines. These can often be found at discount stores or craft shops. We'll also need some ribbons. Ribbons are a fantastic way to add a splash of color and a festive touch to our mason jar gifts. Look for ribbons that complement your decorative items and jars. You might want to consider getting a variety of colors and styles to mix and match. Gift tags are another must-have. These little details can make a world of difference, personalizing each gift and adding a personal message. You can find pre-made gift tags in stores, or for a more personal touch, you can make your own. And don't forget about the contents of the jar. This could be anything from homemade cookies, hot cocoa mix, bath salts, or even a mini sewing kit. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about customizing the gift to the recipient's tastes and interests. Now, where can all these materials be sourced affordably? Well, dollar stores are often a treasure trove of affordable craft supplies. Online marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy also offer a wide range of items. And don't forget about thrift stores. They can be fantastic places to find unique and inexpensive items that can add a touch of charm to your mason jar gifts. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part: crafting our gifts. With all our materials ready, it's time to begin crafting our mason jar gifts. The first step might seem mundane, but it is crucial: cleaning the jar. You'd be surprised at how much a clean, glistening jar can elevate the overall look of your gift. So, grab a soft cloth, dampen it a bit, and give the jar a good wipe down inside and out. Make sure it's completely dry before you start filling it up. Now let's talk about themes. The beauty of mason jar gifts is that they can be personalized to the recipient's tastes. You could go for a gourmet theme with high-end treats, perhaps something from Harry and David's fruit and cheese basket, or Milk Bar's dessert gift set. If your recipient loves all things French, why not create a miniature iGourmet French snack box? Or if they're more into Italian cuisine, you could take inspiration from De Bruno Brothers' Italian market crate. The possibilities are endless. Planning the arrangement of your items is also important. You want to ensure that everything fits nicely and that the jar doesn't look too crowded. Consider the size and shape of each item. Larger, more robust items should go at the bottom, while smaller, more delicate items should be placed on top. The goal is to create a visually appealing gift that also protects the contents. Finally, remember that the theme you choose should reflect the personality and preferences of the person you're gifting it to. After all, the best gifts are those that show thought and care. Now we're halfway through crafting our unique gift. Let's proceed to the next steps. Continuing from where we left off, let's complete our mason jar gift. Now that we've got our jar and our chosen items, it's time to arrange them in a way that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Start by placing the heavier items at the bottom. This acts as a stable base and ensures the lighter items don't get squashed. Once the base is ready, layer the other items on top, taking care to showcase the most attractive ones. Remember, the beauty of a mason jar gift lies in its visual appeal. Think of it as a mini diorama of joy and surprises. Next up, securing the items. This is crucial, especially if your gift includes fragile or delicate items. A small piece of bubble wrap or tissue paper can work wonders here. Not only does it keep everything in place, but it adds an element of suspense as the receiver unravels their gift. Now comes the fun part, decorating the jar. Ribbons, stickers, lace, or even a bit of twine can transform your mason jar from simple to spectacular. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Your decoration should reflect the personality of the recipient and the occasion. Finally, the cherry on top, a personalized gift tag. This can be as simple as a small piece of card with the recipient's name, or you can go all out with a mini letter expressing your sentiments. Remember, it's these small touches that make a gift truly special. Secure the tag onto the jar, either by tying it around the neck or sticking it onto the lid. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, personalized mason jar gift. Voila, your DIY mason jar gift is ready. But wait, there's more. Now that we know how to craft a mason jar gift, let's explore some gift ideas. The beauty of these gifts is their versatility. They can be tailored to the tastes and preferences of the recipient. Let's start with the sweet tooth in your life. A layered cookie mix is a delightful treat. Imagine layers of sugar, flour, chocolate chips, and a sprinkle of sea salt, all beautifully arranged in a mason jar. Add a cute label with baking instructions and voila! A delicious gift that's perfect for the holiday season. For the spa lovers, create a spa kit in a jar. Fill it with mini bottles of lotion, bath salts, a small candle, a face mask, and maybe even a little nail polish. It's a personal day spa, all packed into one charming mason jar. How about a hot cocoa mix for those cold winter nights? Layer cocoa powder, sugar, mini marshmallows, and chocolate chips in your mason jar. Don't forget to tie a small whisk to the jar with a festive ribbon. It's a cozy gift that's sure to warm hearts and bellies alike. For the foodies, consider a gourmet gift. Inspired by the trend of luxurious gift baskets, create a mason jar filled with high-end brands and gourmet treats. Maybe it's a French snack box with a selection of cheeses and cured meats. Or perhaps a Japanese tea set with an assortment of exotic teas and snacks. Remember, you can always customize these gifts to fit the recipient's preferences. If they're nut lovers, fill the jar with a variety of nut snacks. If they love wine and cheese, why not a mini wine and cheese set in a jar? Remember, the value of a gift lies in the thought and effort put into it. So get creative, play around with different themes, and make your mason jar gifts as personal as possible. Happy crafting and happy holidays!